In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Clickfunnels 2.0. We're going to walk through the process from the very beginning. So even if you're brand new to Clickfunnels, you'll be able to follow along confidently. By the end, you'll have a new product set up and ready to be connected to your funnels and checkout pages. First, start on your main Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard. Look over to the side navigation menu and find the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that and then select All Products. This takes you to the central place where every product in your account will live. Even if it's empty right now, this is where you'll always come back to manage and update your offers. Once you're on the All Products page, look for the button that says Create Product. Click that to begin setting up something new. This opens a prompt that asks what type of product you want to create. You'll typically see two main options, physical and digital. Choose physical if you're selling something tangible that needs to be shipped, like merchandise, books, or any kind of physical item. Choose digital if you're offering something like an online course, a downloadable file, coaching, or a membership-style product. At this time, you might also see an option for bundles, but note that this feature is not yet available, so you'll want to stick with physical or digital for now. After you pick your product type, you'll be asked to enter some basic product information. Start by giving your product a clear, descriptive name. This is what you'll see internally and what customers may see on checkout pages, so make it recognizable. Then, add a short description that explains what the product is and what the buyer gets. Try to keep it concise but informative, focusing on the main value it provides. When you've filled out the name and description, click Create Product to confirm. This saves your new product and moves you into the pricing setup. Next, you'll choose how you want to charge for this product. Clickfunnels gives you three main price types. One-time is a single upfront payment. Subscription is for recurring charges, like monthly or yearly membership access. Payment plan lets you split the price into multiple installments over time. Pick the option that matches how you want your customers to pay. Once you've selected the price type, enter the details for that pricing model. This could include the amount, billing frequency for subscriptions, or the number of installments for payment plans. When you're satisfied with your pricing, click Set Price to save it. If you're not ready to decide on pricing yet, you can choose Set Later and come back to it after you finish planning your offer. And that's the full process for adding a product in Clickfunnels 2.0, from navigating the products area to creating your product and setting up its pricing.